Welcome aboard as we embark on a captivating drone journey over the River Great Ouse through the historic heart of Kings Lynn. We lift off from the lively docks where trade routes once converged, setting the stage for our exploration of the town's rich heritage. On our right, the ferry point comes into view, a historic crossing that has served as a vital link for centuries. This site remains a reminder of the connectivity that Kings Lynn has maintained over the years. As we move forward, look out for Marriott's warehouse, a symbol of the town's trading past. Constructed in the late 16th century, this building was crucial for storing goods brought in by sea, and today it serves as a delightful restaurant, keeping its history alive within its walls. As we glide further along the river, note the impressive St. Margaret's Church, also known as Kings Lynn Minster. Look at its towering spire, a landmark for both the faithful and seafarers since the 12th century. To our left, we can see the distinguished bank house. Built in the early 18th century, it exudes Georgian elegance and was once a hub for local banking. Now, it offers a charming riverside retreat as a hotel and restaurant. Just ahead, you can see the majestic Custom House, an iconic building constructed in 1683. Its elegant architecture served as a beacon for merchants navigating the river, a testament to the town's rich maritime heritage. Directly ahead, observe the elegant Kings Lynn Corn Exchange, a striking building that has evolved from its original 18th century market function to a vibrant arts venue. Its grand facade is a testament to its lasting significance in the community. Here we see the iconic Kings Lynn grain silo, a vital part of the town's docklands. For generations, these structures have played a crucial role in the grain trade, storing harvests before they're shipped across the globe. Notice the lifeboat, a reminder of the safety measures necessary in busy port. Our flight path now offers a stunning panorama that captures the essence of Kings Lynn's historical and cultural tapestry, where each building narrates its unique story from the past. As we slowly return, let's revisit these architectural gems that together weave the intricate legacy of this storied town. We hope this aerial exploration has enriched your appreciation for Kings Lynn's multifaceted history. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to flying with you again soon.